Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a hidden feature on Windows 11 that will help you to access all of the installed programs on your computer. So what you need to do is just type in the Windows button and also the R word on your keyboard. So just tap on it in here and this run will be open, and now here you can just type in this shell, this one, and then apps folder. Tap on OK or enter. Okay, just wait, and all of the apps or program installed on your computer will be shown in here. So if you want to find it easily, you can just use this shortcut. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.